Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix YouTube sound not working on your mobile device. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, make sure your volume is turned up. Check the switch on the left side of your iPhone. If it's orange, your phone is on silent. So flip it to turn the sound on. After that, you can open another app like Spotify or TikTok. If the sound works there, the problem is with YouTube. If not, it's just your phone's sound settings. After that, simply restart your device. Hold down the power button and slide to turn off your phone. Wait a few seconds and then turn it back again. This fixes small glitches. Now after that, you need to go ahead and simply open up the App Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, search for YouTube and then simply tap onto it. Just like that inside here, if you see update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, you need to go ahead and simply open up your control center and make sure your Bluetooth is turned off. Your iPhone might be sending sounds to another devices. And if nothing helps, head back to your home screen, open up settings, then tap on general, scroll below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. This would not delete your data, just resets settings. And just like that, head back to general, tap on software updates, and if there's any update available, simply download and install it. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your YouTube sound working again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.